Now, you've heard of black holes, but have you ever heard of white holes? A white hole is the inverse of a black hole, where nothing can get out of a black hole, nothing can get into a white hole. It's like playing the processes inside a black hole in reverse. But unlike black holes, which have a whole slew of observational evidence, white holes are a bit more controversial. You see, we see black holes in the universe, and importantly, we can understand how they form, gravitational collapse of massive objects. But there's not a clear way to make a white hole, although there have been some things hypothesized. The first is that every black hole is connected to a white hole via a wormhole, where stuff that falls into the black hole ends up being shot out of the white hole. The problem with this is, of course, wormholes are also just hypothesized. We've never seen them in our universe. Others hypothesize that a black hole will bounce. This requires some sort of model of quantum gravity. At some point, a star collapsing to form a black hole will reach a scale where quantum gravity takes over and provides a pressure that causes the black hole to bounce out into a white hole. But a fully working model of quantum gravity doesn't exist. Some people even argue that the Big Bang itself is a white hole, but most people aren't convinced that white holes even exist. We don't see any hyperdense objects spewing out matter or radiation. And given how incomplete the physics of some models are, I think it's safe to say that white holes are a much more interesting mathematical concept than a real one. But who knows? People thought the same thing about black holes until we started observing them all over the place.